kind of, again, a not necessarily out of the box way that you would think about using the chapter feature that's built in, but it works for us. I did want to touch on the language translation. So here's how I'm currently approaching it. I actually use, or the localization, I use the chapters feature. And the reason I do that, and this is only with some demos like LMS, for example, rather than creating multiple different LMS modules for Spanish, Portuguese, whatever the language is, I can come in here, use the chapters feature, build out the different chapters, and have them split up by the language, and then use the menu tool down here to let people pick those, right? So when we preview this, what it looks like, right? They get instructions. They'll have on this main instructions page, they can click through in English, but there's also, this is in Portuguese currently because it's a language I know. So I can instruct them to come down here, click on this, and change their language, right? So kind of, again, a not necessarily out of the box way that you would think about using the chapter feature that's built in, but it works for us.